Okay guys, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. My name is Mike. Today is day 20 of our 21-day Yoga HIIT Workout Challenge. Last 2 days, can't believe it. Our mantra today is I am greatness. You are greatness. So roll out your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay guys, so today we're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to start by doing 6 sun salutations. We're going to be doing 2 sun salutation A's, followed by 2 HIIT salutation 1's, followed by 2 HIIT salutation 2's. Okay, so we're going to come to the top of our mat, bringing the feet together or hip width distance apart. Standing in mountain pose, repeating to ourselves or out loud, I am greatness. You are greatness. Once you have this mantra in your head, after you repeat it a couple times, let's begin with some sun salutation A's. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands to the back, lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Keep those fingers spread wide. Pedaling out the legs, waking up the hamstrings. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra, elbows hug in. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. Let's do 2 HIIT salutation 1's now. So inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back, 5 push-ups. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog, 5 down dog push-ups. Back down dog, breathe here. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. 1 more of those. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back. 5 push-ups. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. 5 down dog push-ups. Here we go. Breathe here in down dog. Inhale, tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart and by your sides. Let's do 2 HIIT salutation 2's. So here we go. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back. 10 mountain climbers. Lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward dog, breathe. Inhale, tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides, here we go, 10 high knees. One more of those. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back. 10 mountain climbers. Lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward dog, breathe. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Step, hop or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart. 10 high knees. Great job, everyone. Here we go. Let's inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to a downward dog. Breathe here. When you're ready, inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the right foot forward, pivot the left foot 90 degrees. Air guitar your left arm up. Coming into warrior two. Right knee over right ankle, right heel in line with left arch, arms to a T, smile, breathe. We are greatness. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands, move through your flow. Meet in downward dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up, exhale, right elbow, inhale up, exhale, step the left foot forward, pivot the right foot 90 degrees, air guitar the right arm up, warrior two, find your foundation, left knee over left ankle, left heel in line with right arch, arms to a T, breathe, smile, inhale, peaceful warrior, exhale, cartwheel the hands, move through your flow. Exhale, come back to downward dog. Inhale, pick the right leg up again. Exhale, right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, nose. Inhale up. Exhale, left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the right foot up, pivot the left foot again. Air guitar up into warrior two. Find your foundation. Arms to a T. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, straighten the right leg. Inhale, shift forward towards the right toes. Exhale, come on down. Triangle. Keep that core engaged. Breathe. Exhale, bend the right knee. Come back to warrior two. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands. Move through your flow. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the left foot forward, pivot the right foot 90 degrees. Air guitar, the right hand up. Warrior two, find your foundation. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, straighten the left leg. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, come on down. Keep that core engaged, triangle pose. Exhale, bend the left knee, come back to warrior two. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down, move through your flow. Exhale, back to down dog. Inhale, pick the right leg up. Exhale, right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the right foot forward. This time, rise up into a high lunge. Keep that core engaged. Let's do 5 lunge dips. Exhale, plant the hands, move through your flow. Come back to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the left foot forward. Rise up into a high lunge. 5 lunge dips. Plant the hands, move through your flow. Come back to down dog, breathe. Whew, great job everyone. From here, inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. Whew. We're going to end today with 2 supersets back to back. So we're going to do 15 push-ups, or 15 squats followed by 15 push-ups as the first superset. So bringing the feet as wide as the mat. Here we go, 15 squats. That's 10, 5 more, let's finish strong. Last one. Bring the feet closer together. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands. Step it back to plank. 15 push-ups. Here we go. $15. 5 more just for fun. Oh yeah. Coming onto our backs, our last superset is going to be 30 seconds of bicycles, followed by 15 leg raises. Here we go, guys. 30 seconds of bicycles, let's begin. Breathe. Halfway. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. Great job, everyone. Here we go, 15 leg raises. Make sure to keep the lower back in the mat at all times. When you're ready, let's begin. Keep that core engaged. It's 5, 10 more. We got this. We are greatness. Breathe. That's 10, 5 more. fatigue. Let's do 3 more just for fun. Let's do 2 more just for fun. Oh yeah. Whew. Great job, everyone. From here, let's bring the soles of the feet together, knees out wide, taking a reclined butterfly pose. Coming back to our breath. Great job. Letting the hips open up naturally. Hands can rest on your heart or by your sides. From here, you can take a shavasana or rock up into a seated position. Whew, day 20 in the books, only 1 more day left, you guys. Great job. Oh, almost done. Let's bring our hands together at our heart. The light in me honors and bows to the lightness and the greatness within each and every single one of you watching. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow, our last day. Namaste.